Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in the class. Today, I am going to start the new chapter, trigonometry. Trigonometry means trigonometry. Tri means तीनों angles. Metry means ratio of sides. Ratio means this is the ratio of the sides respect to any one angle. This is completely based on right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle will be 90 degree. So opposite to the 90 degree angle, this is hypo. Always horizontal line generally as a base and vertical line as perpendicular. Base and perpendicular may be changed respect to the angle. If we want to find the ratio in respect to this angle, then this become base and this become perpendicular. And if we want to find the ratio, then these two sides can be changed. This become perpendicular and this become base. There are 6 trigonometrical ratios. साइन, जिसका पूरा नाम SHINE होता है, जिसको हम साइन पढ़ते हैं और लिखते हैं. साइन एंगल इज थीटा, सो दिस इज साइन थीटा. अदर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो कॉस थीटा, जिसको कोसाइन पढ़ते हैं. टेंजेंट थीटा, जिसको इन शॉर्ट वी राइट एज ए टेन. सिमिलरली कॉट थीटा, secant theta and cosecant theta. You have to learn the ratio. We can learn the ratio of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec by the table. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले. H means hypo, P means perpendicular, B means base. सोना चांदी तोले. S means sine, C means cos, T means tan. The other 3 ratios are the reciprocal of these 3 ratios. The converse ratio, reciprocal ratio of sine is cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of cos and cot is reciprocal of tan. So ratio for sine theta become perpendicular upon H, P upon H. Cos theta become B upon H. Tan theta become perpendicular upon base. So cot theta is reciprocal of tan. So this is base upon perpendicular. Reciprocal of cos is sec. So sec theta is equal to H upon B. उल्टा कर देंगे इसको. And reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. This is H upon P. So you have to learn all the trigonometrical ratios. You can use this table to learn the ratios. Now the questions. Which type questions he will ask? He can ask in this exercise. He can give any 2 sides of the right triangle. Any 2 sides of the right triangle. Exercise 8.1. Question number first. Where we use how to use these ratios in trigonometry. This is right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. So this side known as hypo. This is base and this is perpendicular. In question number first, side AB is 24 this is given in question. BC is 7. So firstly we have to calculate the hypo using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to, you know, hypo square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So BC is 7, so this is 7 square plus 24 square, 49 plus 576, get 676. So AC become 26. So its hypo become 26 centimeter or meter, which is given in the question. Now he is asking to determine the ratios. So how to find the ratio? First part, he is asking to find the ratio sin A and cos A. Sin A and cos A. So how to find the ratios? Sin A, just I given you the table. So according to table, or the ratio of sin is perpendicular upon hypo. You have to learn it. Here perpendicular is AC, perpendicular is AB, and hypo is AC. So you can put the value. AB is equal to 24, AC is equal to 26. So ratio for sin become 24 upon 6. You can cancel them. Is equal to 12 upon 13. Similarly, you can find the ratio for cos A. This is B upon H. So here B is base BC and hypo is AC. So BC is 7 upon 26. Now the second part, he is asking the ratio sin C and cos C. So now we have to find the ratio in respect to angle of C. So as angle is changed, as I told you initially that perpendicular and base will change their positions. This become perpendicular because angle always formed with by the base and the hypo. So this is base now. So you can find the ratio in respect of angle of C. So sin C, you know that the ratio for sin is P upon H. So here P become BC upon AC. In respect of C, BC become base. Sorry, AB is the perpendicular, is equal to 7 upon 26 cos C. This is B upon H. So here B now become BC upon AC is hypo. BC is 24 upon 26. Can be cancelled. Is equal to 12 upon 13. Next question. Figure given है in which PQR is a right triangle. This is question number second. Question second. PQR is the name of the triangle given in question. This side length is 12 centimeter and this is 13 centimeter. So we have to find here 10p minus 10p minus. You always use the capital letter to indicate the angles, name of angles. P is the name of the angles, minus quote R. So to calculate this one, we have to find 10p. तो फर्स्टली आप 10p फाइंड करेंगे. रेशियो फॉर 10 इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. पी आर ई पी अपन यूज कर सकते हैं इसको बिकॉज पी इज यूजिंग. सो परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. Here perpendicular in respect of angle P, perpendicular become QR. This is perpendicular and this is base. For angle P, so give name using pencil, then you can erase it. So perpendicular is QR, base is PQ. So QR, because which is not given in the question, so we have to use Pythagoras theorem first. By in right triangle PQR, firstly we will find QR. So this is perpendicular. So perpendicular over the base which you want to find, P square become H square minus B square, or if you want to find B square, then this is H square minus P square. Because H is the longest side of the triangle, so always subtract the base or perpendicular from hypo. So QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square. So 13 square minus 12 square, 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. So QR is equal to 5. Now you can find ratio 10p. Now we have all the three sides of the triangle. This is 5 centimeter. For 10 ratio become perpendicular upon base. So here perpendicular is QR and base is PQ. Base PQ. QR length is 5 and PQ length is 5 upon 12. Quote R. So in respect of angle quote R and respect of angle R, side will change their name. आपकी we want to find now the ratio in respect to this angle. So इस एंगल के रेस्पेक्ट में आपका ये बेस बन जाएगा और ये आपका परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा. So quote R is equal to base. Here base is QR upon perpendicular. So perpendicular is PQ. Again QR here is 5 upon 12. Now is asking to find 10p minus quote R. So you can put the value of 10p. This is 5 upon 12. This is also 5 upon 12. Can be cancelled. Get 0 as answer. Now the second type. Question number 3rd. What he can give? He can give the ratio of any trigonometrical ratios. These 6 ratios are known as the trigonometrical ratio. So in this question, it is given that question number 3rd, if sine A is equal to 3 by 4, you know sine is perpendicular upon hypo. So draw a right triangle. You can give any name to this triangle ABC. जो भी एंगल आपको गिवन होता है, यू द रेशियो विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, तो यू कैन टेक एज द बेस. आप उसको बेस पर लेंगे. सो जनरली दिस इज बेस. वी आर द हैबिचुअल टू टेक इट एज बेस. तो इफ यू विल टेक ए एट दिस पॉइंट, देन दिस बिकम परपेंडिकुलर. सो मे बी यू कैन गेट द मिस्टेक. तो आपको हमेशा ए को जिसकी द रेशियो विच इज गिवन, द एंगल, the ratio respect to any angle is given, then you have to take this angle as the base angle. So perpendicular here become 3 and hypo is 4. So we have to calculate AB first. So you can apply in right triangle ABC. We have to calculate AB. So AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AC 4 square minus 3 square. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So AB is equal to root 7. This is root 7. Now what is asking? He is asking cos A and tan A. So ratio become for cos A. Cos A is equal to base. So here base is AB upon hypo, which is AC. So root 7 upon 4. And the other one is tan A. This is perpendicular upon base. You have to learn the ratio perpendicular. Here perpendicular is BC upon base. This is AB. So BC length is 3 upon root 7. This is the ratio, so we can take k with it. जब आप k लेते हैं इसको to separate them, then perpendicular become 3k, hypo become 4k. So you can use k terms with them. Some teachers tell him, and in book this is also, but no need to take this one, k square, k. So you will take ratio 7k upon 4k, k can be cancelled. At last you will get the ratio as root 7 upon 4. So no need to take k with this one. आपका जो भी रिजल्ट होगा that will be correct. Most of the teachers use without k. Now the next question. Question number 4. This is 15 cot A. Question number 4. 15 cot A is equal to 8. This is given. So ratio for cot become cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. And we have to calculate sin A and secant A. So cot ratio is base upon perpendicular. So you have to draw the right angle triangle. You can give any name to the triangle ABC. Base is here 8 because this is hypo. We want to find the ratio in respect to angle A. So this is become base and this is perpendicular P. So base it become 8 and perpendicular is 15. We have to calculate AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB is 8, BC is 15, 64, 2 to 5, sum become 289. So AC is equal to 17. So now this is 17. Now he is asking, finally you can find the ratio. So sin A you know H upon P, P upon H. So perpendicular here is 15, H is 17. So this is the ratio for sin and secant A. So secant is H upon B. So here H is 17 and base is 8. So this will be your answer. Thank you.